Hello, welcome to Low Maintenance. This is a candle holder which you can attach to the wall, but its real name is a sconce. Unusual, but that's what it's called, a sconce. So we're going to make one of these today. It's very simple. So all you need, handsaw, pencil as always, tape, square and a drill. Maybe a block plane, and it's going to need a sand. Of course you need the timber too. And this is it, just a plain board, 5x1 or 1x5, as you'd say, across the Atlantic. And the one we have here has got a rounded edge. It's 16 inches, but we'll make this one just 12. I've seen them on Etsy, 12 inches long, and they're just more or less a square end, slight round maybe on the corners, and that's it. Super easy to make. Square the end of your board. Now, I'm telling you, make a couple of these. Christmas coming up, lovely gift for the wife. She loved that, putting candles up, creating the atmosphere. I'm making these ones a foot long. Foot long. Who's got the foot long? 1 foot. And this is for the shelf for the candle. We'll avoid that knot, so I'll make it 4 1/4. Our last bit, just out of that piece of wood, I'll make these 2 sconces. We have our 4 pieces cut, the 2 verticals against the wall, and here are our shelves. Okay, so I'm going to put a wee round on each of the external corners. Amazing sharpener for the carpenter's pencil. So on each of the 4 corners here. Getting jiggy with it. The battery's dying! That's it. So that's all the cutting done. Nicely rounded with jigsaw. Obviously these ends are square because they're going to butt onto the vertical piece. And here we have a basic sander here, and old Henry the Hoover. Gonna suck all the dust. And we're using 40 grit sandpaper to really get it sanded down. Nice and smooth now. No sharp edges. So this is our vertical pieces, and this is our 2 shelves. And what you do here now is, when you're doing the sconces, it's all about thirds. So this is 12 inches. So come up 1/3, 4 inches on this one, and the same here on this one. The light pencil line, and then take your shelf here. Just place it on the line like that, and then just come in 1.1/8 or 30 mil roughly, 1.1/8, just there. That's where you can drill 2 holes for the screws which are going to hold the shelf. 1.1/8, 1.1/8 come in. Just the center there, so 1/2 inch. Center. That's a 5 mil or 3/16 bit. Turn your piece over the back, and we're just going to do a wee counterbore so as the screw can got it clamped here now. This pilot hole for your screw. Which I'm going to put in. This is a 4x100 SPAC screw, German made, with a posi head. So I'll just put that in there. And we can now release the clamp, and we can do the other hole. Alrighty then. Yeah. Very satisfying. We're gonna bore a hole for you to hang your sconce on. We'll just split the timber. This is, of course, it's just a bit less than 5 inches. It's 4 7/8, so it'll be 2 7/16. And we'll just come down the thickness of the blade of the measuring tape. There you go. Okay, we're going to use our Forstner bit for drilling a nice flat-bottomed hole named after the American Benjamin Forstner. He was a gunsmith. In 1874, he patented this bit. And just go down about 1/4 inch and put this on top, where your screw will go in there and hang. There we go. Now just find the center, press, and then just slowly press the trigger and just sink that screw. Nice. And that's it there. Now, it's just screwed. I haven't glued it. That's because I can have it as a flat pack. I can unscrew that, put it flat for sending to whoever orders it. It's on Etsy. There's no need to make a joint here. I could house that in, but look, all that's going to go on here is a candle, and the candle doesn't weigh very much. So 4x100 screws, it's more than enough to hold that for just a candle. There's no real weight going on that. And there you have it. There's your sconce, your candle holder.